How to send files on Google Messages. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open your apps, the message app. Once you open that, you have to open the user you want to send the files to. Once you do that, currently I have already opened it, but then you click on the text message option, and here you'll find a plus icon on the left of text messages. Click on the plus icon, and here you'll find multiple options: gallery, gifs, stickers, files, location, contacts, whatever you want to. But if you want to send files specifically and not any gallery pictures, click on files, and it will open you to the recent files you have. For example, in images you can send audio, you can send video, you can send documents, you can send. The easiest way to send is this week, like whatever files you have received recently, and then you have to click on select, and then you can click on send and send it to the concerned person you want to send it to. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.